Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Deanndra chose to ship her CVO Road Glide up to us for an audio upgrade. Deanndra is from Alabama. She actually shipped the bike, but she flew in to pick it up and ride it home. So she had an audio install done on a previous bike. She wasn't happy with the wiring or the way the bike sounded. She didn't want to go through that this time. So she chose us because she felt confident that we would do a good job and treat her brand new bike with respect. So the bike was blank canvas, never been touched before, fresh, clean. We decided to go with a NBS Audio Stage 3 high power, Braille battery upgrade, all Cicada speakers, hertz mid-bass drivers. So the bike ended up with Sound Digital evox 800.4, Sound Digital evox 1600.1, Dubiee bass knob, Cicada CMs in the fairing, Cicada MO75 horns in the grills, Cicada CM 6x9s. In the tour pack pods, we ran with the Cicada CXs, and in the saddlebags, we ran a set of Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers. We used HCAD Mini DSP, NBS Audio T harness, so there was no cutting or splicing. Her main concern was, being she rides in all weather, her main concern was that everything is weatherproof, that the wiring be clean, and that she would be covered by the warranty if anything was to go wrong. So we took care of her on all bases. As a matter of fact, when she rode home, she texted me because she got caught in a heavy downpour, and she wanted to make sure that the equipment would be safe. I assured her that everything is weatherproof, and she's backed by our 3-year warranty and lifetime warranty on install. So no matter what, she's covered. She was ecstatic. She just texted me this morning. She made it home last night, and everything worked beautifully. So it's a beautiful bike. It's a CVO. How can you not love a CVO? And I think that the audio package that we came up with complements the bike beautifully. She's completely happy with it. We're completely happy with it. Check out the build.
It's going down for real. It's going down for real. It's going down for real.
Yo, girl, just kiss the girl. I Dubiee. Shake for a shake. I'm throwing these Emirates in the sky. Spinning this Assalamu alaikum. Piece the MO in.
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. The ladies love me, that's why they all fuck with me. I'm here with the moves, like I invented smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly.
I stay fresh as hell, take a pic, I might as well. Hell, drop the top and take a selfie, my car drives itself. I got white girls blushing, homie, college girls rushing on me. All my diamonds custom, so they clutching and they touching on me. Ooh, think it's vegetables, ooh, think it's edible, ooh, it's incredible, ooh, ooh, ooh. I smell like fun, number 99, section full of fine dimes. Bitches staring at me saying, wow, unforgettable, like that King Cole. Berry wine, I'm singing to you. A one-man show, a human being.
It's like the producer.
Yeah. Hey. I already know it. I make this shit look good on it. Ha! I make this shit look easy on it. Yeah. All I want to be was a trap nigga. Ain't got my ID, but I got them racks, nigga. She said he ain't nothing like these rap niggas. I let her count a million, no cap.
Tell me how you want it, yeah. Hold me and I'm on it. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day.
I bring me some backwoods up out of home and a cup of ice. And some rubber bands up out there too, homie. Yeah. It's 3 p.m. 80 degrees outside. I'm in something to go real fast sitting outside the corner store. 6-figure car ain't got no business in this area. Phones all in the garage. Remember my first Menage? Yeah, Toy and Brittany. I'm shopping for diamonds at Tiffany's. No, I don't got no sympathy. Nah.
Down to sleep. Yeah, I pray to Lord my soul to keep. Yeah. All I pray about got the keys. Yeah. Pull up, make all niggas bleed. I got what I overseas. Bitch, how about I hit NBA? Bitch, how about I hit MVP? I got money, they envy me. I'm with the gang, I'm with the mob, what was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit was hard, a nigga been thinking.
A lot. How many people done doubted you? A lot. Left you out to rot? A lot. How many pray that you flop? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times?
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Deanndra trusted us with her beautiful brand new CVO. Are you completely happy with the sound?
110%.
Was it worth the trip?
Absolutely. 14 hours.
Thank you. Ride home safe.
Thank you.